fried cheese on a stick. So I'm gonna make a batter to dip the cheese in before I fry. So what better thing to use than pancake mix? So it's pancake mix, and I'm gonna add a cup of yellow cornmeal, and it's 2 cups of pancake mix. A little bit of salt, and I'll stir this together, and I'll pour in about 3 cups of cold water and stir as it goes. But I mean, whether you're frying like chocolate sandwich cookies or cheese or hot dogs and making corn dogs, this is such a great batter to use. All right, I got that mixed together. So I have a beaten egg, and it goes in last. All right, that is totally mixed together. So, are you ready to see some cheese on a stick being fried?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so I stuck a wooden skewer all the way through to the very end, just so the cheese has plenty of structure. And I'm actually gonna check the temperature of, it's looking good. Boy, we could make all sorts of things with this batter. We could make like funnel cakes with it. So I'm gonna dip and just get as much batter on the cheese as possible, and I'm gonna bring the bowl over because this needs to go straight into the oil immediately. And the stick goes in and everything. So I just use a spoon and kind of start spooning it over the other side, just so the batter doesn't escape, because that batter kind of tends to want to escape and go elsewhere. So I'll get another one in. And no cheese on a stick is supposed to look like the others. They all have a unique look about them. Whoop. Okay, we'll just do 3 for now. I think that's enough to babysit. And spoon it around. And then I'm going to get some tongs and turn this one over. Try not to melt the tongs.
Oh my, golden
They
brown.
fry really quickly, and there's a reason for that. You want to get them fried before the cheese starts to melt. So you want the batter to be done on the outside before the cheese starts to ooze out. Oh boy. Forgot to spoon the oil over that one. Now at the State Fair, they have huge vats of oil, and they just drop it in, but we have limitations here on Drummond Ranch. There we go. Yay!
Come on, cheese on a stick.
Okay, so I'm just gonna give these about 20 more seconds, and then I'll take them out.
Oh my.
That got a little bit crazy, that one.
Mom, you really outdid yourself.
Thank you, Paige. All right.
Oh my
and then you definitely need to let this sit, but shoot, I forgot the whole point of this. Okay, pretend it's before these were fried. This is how I've done it before. So
And then you drink it?
no, then you dunk like this. Okay.
Oh, that makes so much sense.
And then it goes in. Whoop. That was
Dang,
hot.
that looks so much better.
Thanks. All right, I have a little dish, and what better thing to serve with fried mozzarella than marinara sauce? Okay, and then I'm gonna pick the prettiest ones. Woo, still pretty hot there on the stick part. Oh my gosh, they look so good.
So good.
I'm gonna do 3.
Oh my, Mom, that looks
They look
delicious.
amazing, don't they? Fried cheese on a stick. I mean, sometimes they look a little prettier at the State Fair, but I'll bet these taste every bit as good. There's really only one way we can know for sure.
Oh my
Let me see.
goodness.
That is good.
Is it good?
Good, good.